Good morning. First chapter relational functions. Previous video la exercise 1.1 complete பண்ணோம். Next definition relations. First I have to read the definition. Let A and B any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B satisfying some specified condition. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R, then you have to write it X relation Y. X relation Y. The X relation Y, if and only if, you have to write it X comma Y belongs to R. X comma Y belongs to R. I have to explain here A and B are two non-empty set. A and B are two non-empty set. The non-empty set means here in a set of A itself, in a set of B itself, some element is having. Some of the element is having. You have to consider in a set of A. For example, in a set of A itself, I have to consider 1, 2. In a set of B itself, I have to consider 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, this is the first condition. Next, a relation R from A to B. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Is a subset of A cross B. First of all, you have to find it the A cross B value. First of all, you have to find it the A cross B. A cross B means here are the ordered pair itself. You have to write it 1, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. This is the ordered pair. This is the ordered pair. In this ordered pair, all the elements are containing in the set of A and B. Containing in the set of A and B. Therefore, you have to write it A to B is a subset of A cross B. Is a subset of A cross B. Satisfying some special conditions. Satisfying some special condition. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through or that relation itself. Okay. The next the relation you have to write it X or means what? X relation Y. Then X relation Y, if and only if, you have to write the condition is satisfied, you have to write it X comma Y belongs to R. Then the relation represent the algebraically roster method and set builder method. Roster method and set builder method. The roster method means what? Already you know the roster method means the R is equal to, I have to write it the sum of the element in itself 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the roster method. The next set builder method. The set builder method means you have to write it. So the set I have to consider A is the one of the set. A is the one of the set. Here I have to write it X belongs to the natural numbers. X belongs to the natural numbers such that here I have to consider one of the condition. Natural number means 1 less than or equal to X less than or equal to or less than 5. This is the set builder form. This is the roster form example. Next, an arrow diagram is represented the relation. The arrow diagram is represent the relation. For all, I have to draw in a set of A. I have to consider. Okay, in a set of A, I have to consider means you listen. Here, this is you have to consider A. This is you have to consider A. This is you have to consider B. You have to consider B means here A said you have to consider some of the values. I have to consider 1, 2. B said I have to consider 3, 4. Here I have to consider 1, 3 map agudama 1, 3. Next 2, 4 map agudha 2, 4. For example, you listen here in a set of A என்றது நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம் domain சொல்லுவோம். Domain. இது என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம்னா codomain சொல்லலாம். இது என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம்னா codomain சொல்லலாம். codomain அதாவது ஏல இருக்கிற எலமெண்ட் பியில் மேப் ஆகிருந்ததுனாக்கா அதை நம்ம கோடொமைனையும் ரேஞ்சையும் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம் ஈக்குவல்னு சொல்லலாம். Therefore, I have to definition once again I have to read the let A and B any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B satisfying some special conditions. x belongs to A is related to y belongs to B. How we have to write it means x relation to y. The next x related to y if and only condition is what? X comma y belongs to R. X comma y belongs to R. X comma y belongs to R. Next exercise number 1.2. First sum, let A equal to set of value 1, 2, 3, 7 and B is equal to set of value 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? Relation from A to B. You have to find it given for condition relation or not relation. From A to B, this only you have to find it. Here, the first I have to find it A cross B. First I have to find it A cross B. Therefore, solution, the given values I have to write it. Given A equals set of value 1, 2, 3, 7 and B equal to set of value 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Equal to set of value 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Next I have to find it. Next I have to find it A cross B. How to find it? The Cartesian product. The Cartesian product means the first A element எடுத்துட்டு remaining இருக்கிற B ல இருக்கிற element கூட pair பண்ணி write பண்ணனும். Ordered pair. Therefore 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 7. The next 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 2, 7. Next 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1. Next 3, 7. Next 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1, 7, 7. Set of ordered pair you have to find it. Next I have to solve first sum. Okay, the first subdivision. Given our relation is equal to set of value 2, minus 1, 2, 1, R1, 2, 1, 7, 1. Here you want to see the relation element 2, 1. You want to compare this, the relation from A cross B itself. Here the relation R1 itself 2, 1 is having. Here you want to go through here itself anybody 2, 1 is having? No. Therefore I have to write it. Therefore here 2, 1 belongs to R1 but 2, 1 is not belongs to A cross B. Is not belongs to A cross B means therefore R1 is not a relation from A to B. Why means in this element is not having the A cross B itself, therefore you have to write it R1 is not a relation of A cross B. The next second subdivision, given what value is given? Second subdivision R2 is equal to minus 1, 1. You have to compare minus 1, 1 ordered pair value is having in A cross B itself. Anybody having minus 1, 1? No. Therefore I have to write it. Therefore minus 1, 1 is belongs to R2 but minus 1, 1 is not belongs to A cross B. Therefore R2 is not a relation from A to B. Next third subdivision. The third subdivision given values I have to write it. Given what value the third subdivision? R3 is equal to 2, minus 1, 7, 7, 1, 3. Want to go through 2, minus 1 anybody having in A cross B itself? 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 1 is having. Next 7 comma 7, 7 comma 7 is having. Next 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 is what? 1 comma 3 we are having. 1 comma 3 here are 1 comma, therefore I have to write it in R3 all the elements are having in the set of Cartesian product itself A cross B itself having, therefore I have to write it, minus, okay, 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus, therefore R3 is a subset of A cross B. Y means all the elements are having in A cross B itself. Therefore, you have to write it. R3 is a relation from A to B. Next, fourth subdivision. Here the fourth subdivision is what? Given R4 equal to, open the set notation, 7 comma minus 1, 0 comma 3, next 3 comma 3, 0 comma 7. Here you want to go through 7 comma minus 1, anybody having in set of A cross B, 7 comma minus 1 is having. Okay. Next 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3 anybody is having, 0 comma 3 anybody is having, 3 comma 0 is having, 0 comma 3 anybody is having, no, therefore I have to write it 0 comma 3 is belongs to R4 but 0 comma 3 is not belongs to A cross B, therefore R4 is not a relation from A to B. Thank you students. Next video la paakalam.